In this video we're going to go over Video Marketing Spy, and we're going to be going over the keyword research section. Now, depending which version you've got of Video Marketing Spy will depend what you actually see in the keyword research section. If you want to upgrade to any of these or to the full suite, then please drop us a line at client-area.biz and submit a ticket, and we'll be only too happy to advise you. So in this video we're going to go over all modes so it's easy for everybody. Now, the first mode we've got is related keywords. So obviously before you watch this video, watch the settings video. If you haven't watched that video, then stop this video right now and go and watch that, please. Okay, so related keywords is going to give you the top 10 related suggested keywords direct from YouTube itself. So let's have an example. So we'll put in drone as the main keyword, press get related keyword, and within a second or two it'll come back with the top 10 most searched for related suggested keywords. So you know what you know which keywords to target. Now, the other options on this tool are very simple. You've got copy keywords to clipboard. If you click that, it'll copy all these to the clipboard. You can click this and it'll pop up a file requester so you can actually save the keywords. Choose your file name, select your destination and click save keywords. And we've also got a clear keywords as well. So that's standard keyword research. Then we go to the deep dive keywords. Now what this is going to do is it's going to get you the top 10 like it just did before here, but it's going to get you the top 10 of every single one of them as well, which is going to give you a really tight related most searched for suggested keyword list. It's also going to remove the duplicates as well, so you'll have no duplicates in there. They'll be unique. So all we do, enter the keyword and hit get deep dive keywords. Now it'll take a little while longer than the first one because obviously it's doing a lot more keywords, but it doesn't take too long. Once it's finished, it'll show you the amount of keywords that it's found here, and it'll list all the keywords here. Again, we've got stop. If you wanted to stop it, it'll actually stop the search. We've got copy deep dive keywords to the clipboard. That does as it says. It'll copy all your keywords once you've got them from here into your clipboard. Again, we can click this to set the file name and file location where we want to save them to, and you can press export deep dive keywords if you wanted to save them. You've got clear deep dive keywords, which again will clear the keywords from here. So while this is running, I'll just pause the video for a minute so it's not too long for you. Okay, so it's finished and we've found 103 related keywords or related suggested keywords to drone. So if we look down that list, we can find some pretty interesting stuff. Now, these keywords can be good for tags. Obviously make sure that they're related to your video. You can use them for, parts of your title, stuff like that. This is what people are searching for when they're in YouTube looking for that keyword. This is the things that are coming up as the top 10 most searched for related suggested keywords. So that is deep dive mode. Now we will go to, I'll just clear the deep dive mode. Now what we've got is we've got bulk related keywords. Now I won't actually run this one, but all you do, because you'll have got the idea from the other two, but all you do is you enter your keywords here, one per line. So drone, camera, drone, video. I will run it. And then all you do is you hit get bulk related keywords, and that will go and get the top keywords for each of them. So you're going to get really, really tight related suggested keywords again. It shouldn't take too long to do. Again, we've got the same similar sort of options. We've got stop, we've got copy to clipboard. We can clear them and we can save the bulk keywords as well. And there you go. So it's found their top 30 keywords from them three. So that's your bulk related keywords mode. Now what we've got is we've got Google keywords search volume. Now what this is handy for. So let's type in the word drone. Depending on what version you got, it depends how many search results that you'll see here. Click get keywords, and then that's going to go and get the top 10 keywords direct from Google, including the monthly search volume. Now this search volume is worldwide search volume. It doesn't take too long. As you can see, it says there, getting keywords and search volume, please wait. So it'll go and do its thing, and then it'll come back in a minute. There's a thing saying that we're just using the standard version. Don't worry about that. Okay, so as you can see now from the word drone, the most volume of keyword search is DJI. Well, obviously DJI are massive, if not the leading drone people. Then we've got drone camera, 368,000 searches a month. So from this list, you can tell what keywords you want to target. A lot of people make mistakes in videos. They guess what people want. They guess what people are searching for. Video Marketing Spy and Video Marketing Suite is aimed to take that guessing away. So not only can you use this for your video, because obviously the idea is to get your video on the page 1 of Google as well. So this will play a really big part when it comes to people that's actually searching in Google. But let's just say that you had a website as well. If you wanted to know what words to target on your website, it's no good putting words that people aren't searching for. So with this tool, you can actually get the monthly search volumes, and you can tell whether it's worth using these keywords on your website as well as your video. So that there is the Google Keywords search volume. Now we've got trends. Now trends is basically what we've done is, if you just read that for a second, and what it's saying basically is we're not associated with Google. We haven't integrated Google Trends into the software because we're pretty sure that wouldn't be allowed. So what we've done, because we wanted you to be able to get all this information within the tool, save you having to go out to different tools, different browsers, what we've done is we've added in our own browser in the software. So now, as you can see, there's no automation. That is basically the Google Trends site. And all we've done is we've put a browser in there just so you can actually use the site yourself, just like you would from a normal browser. But instead of going to a different browser, we've just enabled the browser in the software. We've got 3 buttons at the top, and all they do is YouTube Search Trends. If you click that, it's just going to click the YouTube option on this page. So then we can put in search trends. So if we put in drone there, for example, and click one of these, and click that, and then once it's done its thing, you can see the actual trend, interest over time. So that can be quite handy. You can also, if you scroll down, whoops, you can see the interests by region, so you can tell what countries it's popular in. This could also be handy for, you know, targeting videos, or if you're doing paid ads and stuff like that. And if you scroll down a little bit more, then you can actually see other breakout queries and stuff like that related to drone. Okay, now the word drone was, you know, a pretty generic term. So if I went back up here, if you wanted to compare as well, you can add in another, press that and add in another term, but I won't do that now. So let's type in something else. Let's try web design. So we'll click web design, and there's your trends. And we'll go down a bit, and you can see where. You can also click on these if you wanted to. Like I said, it is just standard Google Trends. All we've done is just included a browser so you can use Google Trends in a browser without having to go and open a different browser up. And then you can see the related keywords. So all this can be really, really handy on telling you whether it's worth making a video on that, or, you know, if the videos are trending up or trending down. Really, really handy. Again, you've got Get Daily Search Trends, so you can click that. And again, it's just using these buttons here. So that'll tell you what's trending at the moment. This can be handy, you know, if you're wanting ideas on what to make new videos on, depending what you're doing, obviously. And then we've got real-time search trends, which again is just that button there. So there you go, that's the trending module. The only thing I've got to stress with this is if you clicked any of these now, then you wouldn't see the whole software. What you've got to do before you go on to any of these is you click Close Trends Browser, because as I said, it is a browser. So we click that, it'll do a bit of resetting, and then it'll go back to the main Video Insights and it'll show you the whole user interface. Whereas if you hadn't have clicked Close Browser, you'd have only seen the top part of the interface. So that is all the keywords sorted. Now, I hope you've liked the video. If you've got any questions, check out our Facebook group. You can see that at the moment in the changelog. I'll probably be adding it into the settings tab as well. Yeah, and you can also put in a support ticket if needed at clients-area.biz. Please note we only do support via tickets and not via email. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.